Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, our today's video contains very beautiful design ideas of neckline, simple embroidery style ideas are 3D embroidery patterns of floral design ideas that are totally based on boatneck embroidery designs onto the necklines like U-shaped, curvy shaped or simple, that is I have mentioned above boatneck. So you can design the very beautiful necklines of your dresses, shirts, peplum, kurti, kameez, blouse as per the choice of your top that you want to wear. Now we talk about the embroidery stitches. Then simple, basic and easy embroidery stitches have been used, like basic beginner friendly embroidery stitches like French knot, Brazilian embroidery, Hungarian embroidery, simple Chinese, traditional Indian embroidery, satin stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, French knot, twisted knot, wheel stitch, and many more simple and basic embroidery stitches have been used. You can design your basic dresses like your everyday outfits, like your summer dresses, by exactly following these color combinations and these embroidery patterns to design your dress and give your dress a more beautiful and formal and creative look. The embroidery thread you can use for making these patterns is anchor, DMC, wool, sewing thread, even silky threads that are being used for making machine embroidery patterns. Those silky threads could also be used to make these hand embroidery patterns as well. I hope that you are liking the design ideas, the concepts, and the beauty of these designs is that they are simple, easy, and unique. You will not see these designs before, or these designs are not more common. Like this white embroidery stitch base shirt is very beautiful and delicate. Some dark combination like navy blue, black or brown color could be used. Some bright colors, some summer colors, funky colors, cool colors like pink, deep pink, light pink, baby pink and different shades of pink could also be used. So friends, all of these patterns are a idea, are a baseline or a concept for you to design your dresses instead of paying high amounts of payment to handmade, hand crafted, needlework based designer dresses. You can design your dresses by your own by sitting at your home. So if you really like, then do try these patterns and don't forget to like and subscribe, share your experiences with us. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, don't forget to like.